If you need to make changes to a test, click on the action link next to the test. Please note that if a student begins your exam, you cannot change the questions. If you want to make changes to the test questions, select Edit the Test. The test canvas page will appear where you can add or edit any questions. If you want to make changes to the settings, such as changing the time allotted for the test, select Edit the Test Options. The Test Options page will appear where you can change the instructions, availability, due dates, feedback, self-assessment, and the presentation of the test. To make the test unavailable to students, select Make Unavailable. You can use adaptive release if you want to allow a student who missed the test to take it after the due date. You can move the test to another location. You can use item analysis for statistics on overall test performance and individual test questions. You can change the due date. Once you have made your changes to the due date, click Submit. You can also delete the test entirely. When you select Delete, Blackboard will prompt you to make sure you want to delete the test. Select OK.